Update 4 on Tropical Storm Isaias. Isaias is located at 27.40 degrees north, minus 79.70 degrees west as of 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, this 2 August 2020. Isaias has winds of 65 miles per hour and a pressure of 995 millibars. The storm is moving northwest and is a TCDR rating 6. Moderate damage likely. Distance in miles right now. Port St. Lucie is only 40 miles away from the center of the storm. Freeport, 89. Savannah, 333. Myrtle Beach, 436. And Emerald Isle, North Carolina, 525. There is a tropical storm watch from north of Surf City to Duck, North Carolina, as well as from Pamelo and Albemarle Sounds. There is a storm surge watch from Edisto Beach, South Carolina to Cape Fear, North Carolina. There is a tropical storm warning from Jupiter Inlet, Florida to Surf City, North Carolina. In 24 hours, the storm will be just tugging the coast of northern Florida. In 48 hours, the storm will be inland in North Carolina. In 72 hours, the storm will be in Maine. And in 96 hours, it will become post-tropical as it heads into Canada. That's all I have for Tropical Storm Isaias. Please give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye!